This video is for the Samsung refrigerator RS262MDBP. Every time our power goes out, the refrigerator flashes like this, and the ice and water are left only working with what was programmed before the power outage. In order to correct the problem, you need to hold down the lighting and energy saver buttons for about 10 seconds until you see the lights flash. Just push, and it doesn't seem like it's doing anything. However, if you hold it long enough, all of the lights turn on, let go, and then the button functionality is restored.